I know y'all like, who the fuck is that? I ain't been here in so long. Y'all, look at this unit. Hey y'all, it's me Amani and I am back. I've been gone for a little minute. I just been busy. But I'm here with Sugar and Spice Beauty today on this highlighted wig. Y'all know I don't really wear dark hair like at all. The darkest that I normally go is like an amber type color. Or if I'm doing like a color like I might do like a deep red or something. But browns and blacks, I'm scared of them. Like my hair is orange. I'm scared of browns and blacks. Like I be thinking it's not even gonna look right with my eyebrows and all that. But this wig is actually so pretty on me. I got a lot of compliments. I'm gonna show y'all. I got a lot of compliments and yeah, I'm just obsessed with this wig. I actually really like it. I actually put this on last Sunday, so it's been on for a week and I'm about to actually reinstall it because girl, yes, hopefully the back look right. So of course I'm going to have the direct link to this wig down below, but let me tell y'all a little bit about it. So this is a frontal. It's a 13 by 4, and you might be like, the part look kind of long for 13 by 4. You got to know how to finesse it, and if you want to know how I finesse it, I got to be on how to make your wigs look more realistic, so you can watch that. Now as far as the highlights, if you are the type of person who wants to try highlights and you never really have, and you like, I don't know how to dye hair, I don't know how to bleach hair, I don't know how to this, I don't know how to do that, I would say get this wig 100%. Go ahead and get this wig because all I had to do was minimal plucking. I plucked it in probably like 10 minutes, and if you really have to pluck a wig, you know it's gonna take you about 30-40 minutes if you really want to get in there. But this one, it was not like a super crazy thick hairline, and it already came dyed. Like all of these highlights, let me give y'all a little 360. All of those highlights were already in there. All I did was bleach the knots because I was like, I'm not sure if they're bleached or not. Like I said, I don't wear dark hair. I always bleach my wigs orange. But with this one, I just straight bleached the knots and threw this baby on, and look at it. It's speaking for itself. So it's 22 inches. So it's pretty long. It's actually very true to length. When I turn around, it touches like the top of my butt. Like not like the bottom of it, but like the top of it. So you know that the length is all there. Sugar and Spice Beauty, they don't play when it comes to the length. You know what I'm saying? This is true to length. The highlights are cute. So at first I was pretty scared because I was like, I've done a highlight wig before, but the highlight were like lighter than this. And the main color was like a blonde already. But for this to have a chocolate brown base and then like blonde highlights, I was like, but as we can see, I'm looking real fucking good and it speaks for itself. So let's get into the tea on this hair. First of all, I straightened it. I used BioSilk and Fantasia heat protectant and it straightened it beautifully. It's not dry. Even though it's already like dyed or whatever, it's not dry. Look and stuff how the ends looking. They don't look crazy and frizzled. And I've been straightening it all week because I've been going to work all week. So I've been getting up, straightening it. I put a little of that silk therapy in there and then straighten it every day. And then it, you know, it bounced right back. Now, as far as the lace, that is probably the only downside I would say is the lace is big. But if you have a big head, that's good. And as you can see, I was able to get it. I'd rather have my lace be too big than too small, to be honest. And sometimes I do have a few wigs that the lace is too small and I have to like either really stretch it or I have to sacrifice one of the sides, like not being able to be visible. But with this, you see I can tuck it in or I could wear it like this. This is kind of how I was wearing it all week anyway because I didn't really do like my side edges like I normally do. I can't really show y'all up close because like I said, I put it on last Sunday, so it's kind of lifting, it's coming off, but it still looks really good. Like this is a good starter wig and I probably will most definitely put this in my top wigs of 2022 video if y'all want that, because I've been trying to get a good list. I didn't want to just throw a lot of the same companies in there and I want to give y'all at least 5 or 6 companies. But yeah, this would definitely go in there because the hair doesn't shed. I've been using this brush all week and it's like, look at how much hair is in there. That's not a lot. That's definitely not a lot. When I'm walking around, I'm not dropping hair everywhere. Well, let me do it with my hand. Do a little shit test straight up. Nothing. Nothing. Look at that, Sugar and Spice Beauty. And then the wig came really fast, so you would just order it. I'm gonna have, like I said, I'm gonna have the link in the bio and you just order it from there and it's gonna come real fast. Like it came fast. So shout out to them for the fast shipping. The cute wig. I'm glad that I tried this highlight and I just like got something basic because I wouldn't have done this myself. I wouldn't have been able to replicate this. I probably could, but I probably can't. Like it gives like Monster High. It gives like, what's her name? Cleopatra off Monster High? Cleo. It's giving Cleo from Monster High, like Monster High, Monster High. So like I said, I had this on through Halloween. I had me a little horns on and you know all that. I'm gonna show y'all too. Roll the clips. Let me show y'all some pictures and videos of me in the hair looking real good. Exactly, like what can I say? This hair is so fucking pretty. It's so soft. Next time I put it on, I might do like a style or something. Like I just wore it straight this week. It's just real basic. And I could do a side part with it because it has, you know, the lace. It's not like a T-part or nothing. Oh, shit. Hold on. See, that's why you want to bleach your knots. Look at how when I just flipped it over, it's already looking like something. Yeah. I'll say get this. Oh, and the lace it isn't HD or whatever, but it's a good transparent lace. You know how some lace is transparent but it be gray or it be dark or whatever. This wig got some good lace on it. It has some really good lace on it, so I would definitely recommend this wig. Unfortunately, I can do an install if y'all want to on this wig next. Show y'all how I finesse a big lace wig. But for right now, I just had to get y'all a rundown. I just had to get y'all a review. Because I also did take a break from wearing wigs. Show y'all a few pictures. I had braids and stuff. And they was cute. I always like to get braids and stuff when it gets hot because it's like I'm not putting on the lace when it get hot. So I did have this wig for a little minute and I was playing around with it. I'm like, oh, this is so cute. I can't wait to put it on. Like this was one of my first one I put on. I like this hair. I would recommend it. Shout out to Sugar and Spice Beauty because they got some good products and I would definitely get another wig from them. Look at the highlights. Look at the quality. And for the hair to already be dyed and it's not dry and stuff, like, ooh. Imagine this with some curls though. I gotta try that next. I gotta do that next. I'll do a little install. I'll do some curls for y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you want to get this wig, like I said, it's gonna be in the bio. Click the link in the bio. It's gonna take you directly to the wig. You can see everything about it. I recommend it. I would say get this one and send me some pictures on Instagram. Y'all know the Instagram. I'm gonna put it right there. Thank you so much for watching and I will see y'all next time. Sorry for disappearing on y'all. I've been busy. I'm so sorry for disappearing. Bye. See y'all later. Hey, shorty with the highlights. Me?